if you see this channel, it rank only by shorts video. Only by 64 shorts video, this channel gain more than 100,000 subscriber. This channel publish only shorts video. Without any long video, this channel earn a huge amount of money every month. This is another channel. You can see it gain 54,000 subscriber by only 43 video. Beside these, I also check in Instagram. If you see this account, it only publish shorts videos related to motivation. But the shocking thing is, this account has more than 2 million followers. And you can see this account only publish shorts and reels videos. So without wasting time, let's start our video making. For this, we need to open ChatGPT and ask to write 40 motivational quotes. Here it generate 40 quotes. Now again I ask ChatGPT, write me 40 quotes of hard work in a table with the name of writer in first column, and divide each quotes in two parts. First part of the quotes in second column, and second part of the quotes in third column. So it start generating 40 quotes in a table. Here need to wait some time, and after some time it generate 40 motivational quotes relating to hard work. Now I copy all the quotes and paste it in a Microsoft Excel sheet. Here you can see I collect all the quotes in Excel sheet. Now I open a new tab and search canva.com. Now here I search mobile video. Then scroll down and click on create blank. Wait some time and you can see a new interface. Here you can see lots of template for background. I choose this one. Now select the text. Then open the Excel sheet and copy a part of the quotes and paste it here. You can change the text format from here, as your choice. You also can change the text color from here. I pick the red color. Then add a new text box and again copy the second part from the Excel sheet and paste here. Then again repeat it. Now need to fix the timing. Select the text and right-click on the mouse. Now go to Show Timing. Again for the next part. Then again for the last one. Done. Let's see the final output. Really amazing. I love it. Looking really great. Now our next step is bulk creation. For bulk creation, go to Apps. Now search Bulk Create. Press on Bulk Create. Then press Enter Data manually. Now clear all the table. Clear everything. Add a new table. Now just need to go to our Excel sheet and copy our whole quotes documents and paste here. Fix some text of this new table. Then scroll down and press on Done. Then we need to connect data. Select the text and press Connect Data. Now connect data to writer. Again connect data to first. Then again connect data to second. Everything is done now. Press Continue. So here you can see it generate 40 quotes. Now press on Generate. So it takes some time. So wait some time. After some time, here it generate the shorts video. Here you can see the all 40 videos. Like this you can make thousands of shorts video in a day. It is very easy. You can change the background of your videos. For this, go to Element. Now search. I want to use nature video, so I search nature. Select the video which you want to use as the background. Now here replace background. Press replace background. Like this you can change the background. It's very easy. I am changing the backgrounds as my choice. You can also export video from your computer gallery of any other website. I change all the background of the videos. Finally, to download these shorts videos, press on Share, then press Download. Done. Here you can see it's downloading. It will take some time. Here you can see it's still downloading. The whole process is very easy. By this way you can make thousands of shorts video in just some few minutes. With just some click you can make thousands of shorts and reels video in a few minutes. So that's it for today. Hope you understand everything clearly. Subscribe, thrive, mentor. Thank you all.